Welcome back to Primetime News. Special welcome if you're watching on onespotmedia.com.
A reminder as well that you can watch TVJ live by downloading our What's Spot Media app in the Google Play Store or the App Store. That's the number 1, followed by the word Spot and Media.
First up this evening, a detective corporal and 24 people are behind bars in connection with a criminal gang that has obtained over $400 million in assets after wreaking havoc in several parishes.
The Counter-Terrorism and Organized Crime Investigation Branch, CTOC, called a press conference today to announce they have dismantled the Uchence gang.
It's headed by a 27-year-old Uchence Wilson, otherwise called Terrence. Details from TVJ's Andrea Chisholm.
You name it, the Uchence gang has done it. Murders, shootings, robberies, rape in 7 parishes: St. Catherine, St. Andrew, St. Mary, St. Anne, Trelawney, Clarendon and Manchester. Obtaining 17 motor vehicles, including coaster and minibuses, 15 firearms, some of which were licensed.
Several household appliances estimated to be over $400 million.
Assistant Commissioner of Police Fitz Bailey says the gang dates back to 2016 and is very organized, using tactics like that of a legitimate company, such as division of labor, assigning people to scout victims, cut a grill, drive the getaway vehicle, and even to shoot an individual.
In some instances, the victims are identified and selected by members of the gang who have been employees of some of the victims. They would stage their activities to incorporate inflicting minor injuries to their cronies during the robbery to avoid being linked to the crime, the proceeds of which will be shared among themselves, with the bigger portion going to the planner.
And when they do steal a motor vehicle, for example, it's scrapped.
They worked with a particular company, and I will not name it at this time, and significant portion of the stolen items were actually routed through that company and disposed of.
But since May 2017, the police have been hot on their trail, identifying 40 gang members.
We have 25 now in custody, arrested, and will be charged. That among those who were taken into custody were 3 females and 1 member of the JCF.
The Office of the Director of Public Prosecutions is working with the police to also charge them under the anti-gang law. ACP Bailey is encouraging those who want to leave gangs to speak with someone or call CTOC at 967-1389.
And we might be able to show you the path if we want to use it to purge your soul.
Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.